Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two data entry solution platform, which is RefreshMe and AutoEntry. So the both have a distinct purpose in realms of financial management, and here is a consensus comparison to help you determine which solution align best for your need. So to get started with RefreshMe. RefreshMe is a personal finance management which is ideal for individuals and families seeking to manage personal finances. And here are the key features about this two platform. So starting with the RefreshMe, it has a expense tracking together with the budget tools and a bank integration which connect with over 12,000 financial institutions for real-time data, and also a privacy and security which include the identity theft protection and privacy management features. I'm talking about the price plan for the RefreshMe. That's an individual plan of $24.99 per month and a couple plan of $44.99 per month. And the downside, it lacks a business specific features like invoicing, multi-user collaboration, and not designed for managing business finances or account tasks. Talking about AutoEntry on the other side, which is best for business data entry and also ideal for accountants, bookkeepers, and small to medium-sized businesses needing automated data entry solution. I'm talking about the key features about this platform. That's an automated data capture, which extract data from receipt, invoice, bills, and bank statement. Also integrates seamless connect with a accounting software like Zero, QuickBooks, Surge, and Free Agent. It also have a mobile app which allows on the document scanners and uploading. And talking about the pricing plan, a plan start at $12 per month with a credit-based system and no contract require flexible monthly subscription. And talking about downside, which is primarily focused on business use, not suitable for personal finance management. And here's our conclusion. So if you're looking for a comprehensive personal tools to manage budget, track expenses, and monitor financial health with an emphasis on privacy, just go for RefreshMe. On the other hand, if you are a business professional seeking to automate data entry purpose, integrate with accounting software, and improve operational efficiency, just go for AutoEntry. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what your feelings about these two platforms. Thanks.